In a recent and highly controversial development, the U.S. Department of Justice has placed attorney Erez Rioveni on administrative leave following his handling of the wrongful deportation case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Maryland resident. This action has ignited debates over legal ethics, governmental accountability, and the aggressive enforcement of immigration policies. Background of the case. Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a 29-year-old native of El Salvador, fled to the United States at the age of 16 to escape threats from the gang Barrio 18, which had previously extorted and threatened his family. In the U.S., he built a life in Maryland, working in construction, marrying Jennifer Vasquez Sura, a U.S. citizen, and raising 3 children with disabilities. In 2019, despite no formal charges or substantiated evidence, Maryland police accused him of being an MS-13 member based on a confidential informant's claim. Although Immigration and Customs Enforcement, IC, detained him, he was granted protection from deportation by a U.S. immigration judge due to a credible fear of gang persecution. The erroneous deportation. In March 2025, amid efforts to expedite the expulsion of alleged MS-13 members, Abrego Garcia was mistakenly deported to El Salvador's notorious Secote prison, labeled erroneously as an MS-13 member. The White House described his deportation as an administrative error. This incident has raised significant concerns about due process and the government's responsibility and authority to reverse deportation mistakes. Judicial intervention. U.S. District Judge Paula Zines ordered the Trump administration to return Abrego Garcia to the United States, emphasizing that there were no legal grounds for his arrest, detention, or deportation. Judge Zines described the government's actions as wholly lawless and mandated his return within 3 days. The Justice Department planned to appeal, calling the order indefensible. Implications and reactions. The suspension of Rioveni has sparked a broader conversation about the ethical obligations of government attorneys and the balance between legal advocacy and truthfulness. Critics argue that punishing an attorney for acknowledging a mistake undermines the integrity of the legal system and discourages transparency. Supporters of the administration's decision contend that government lawyers have a duty to defend their clients' positions robustly. This case also highlights the complexities and potential pitfalls of aggressive immigration enforcement policies, especially when they lead to violations of due process and legal protections. As the Justice Department appeals Judge Zines' order, the legal community and the public continue to watch closely, recognizing the profound implications for immigration law and governmental accountability.